exactly 12 in the night and I'm feeling completely fine. Hope you are doing too. आज मैं 3 चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ, सिर्फ बात ही करने वाला हूँ. I'm not gonna get up from here. The camera is not gonna move from there. सिर्फ बात ही होने वाला है. If you're not interested. So lately I've been consuming a lot of content on internet. That can be Netflix, Instagram, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and everywhere. To be honest, I'm really enjoying it. बात यहाँ तक ठीक है. But the thing which is bothering me is I'm kind of getting addicted to it. इनके 24 घंटे में I'm almost holding my phone for 13 to 14 hours, which is absolutely ridiculous, which is not at all suggested. But that's happening. जब तक मैं देख रहा हूँ, I'm really enjoying it. Once I put my phone back onto the place, it's kind of bothering me, and I also question that why I'm not liking this, why I'm not liking watching content. And the answer I got is, ये जो चीज़ मैं बोलने वाला हूँ छाती छोड़ा हो कि नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, but the actual answer which I got is, somewhere down the line I feel that I'm the kind of person who believes in the quote, consume less, produce more. And I feel that I'm exactly doing opposite of the quote. I mean, I'm consuming more and producing less. So hereby I'm promising myself that I'm gonna do at least one productive thing in my day. That might be exploring my camera, improving my editing techniques, or learning something new. But it's gonna be one productive thing per day. यहाँ पे first बात खत्म होता है. Coming to my second point. So recently I'm observing that there are a lot of subscribers, new subscribers coming onto my channel, which is a good thing. मतलब subscriber count increase हो रहा है. And I assume that they had discovered me through the 4 videos which I made on IBS. If you are amongst those, then hearty welcome. But there's a kind of bad news for you. In case you are expecting more videos on IBS, because particularly on IBS, because that's not gonna happen anymore. That's not gonna happen because IBS was never my point of focus or subject of my videos. I didn't really enjoy making those videos because you might have seen all the 4 videos in my channel on IBS. That was just me sharing my life, and IBS was just a part of it. मतलब मैं कभी भी IBS के ऊपर videos नहीं बनाना चाहता. It was just that it just came as a part of my day. That's it. I didn't ever enjoy the process of making those informative videos for you. I might sound rude for you, but that's not my intention. The whole and sole intention of making those videos is just to make you aware of the place where you're going to study for next 2 years, and it's just me providing insights, and that also might help you in making your decision whether to come to IBS or not. और मैं ये सारे बातें छाती छोड़ा के नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. It's just that I just want to clear the things between you and me, you as a subscriber and me as a content creator. So if you are here for those videos, then this channel is not for you. If you are here for more enjoyable videos, more fun content, then your bye is here. Otherwise, bye bye. यहाँ पे दूसरी बात भी खत्म होती है. तीसरी बात. So I recently came across a comment on my video regarding IBS, saying that person who commented, he was saying that he didn't really enjoy his experience with IBS, and he was against IBS and he was against the video too. तो मैंने वो पूरा comment पढ़ा, और पढ़ने के बाद मुझे मतलब ये समझ में आया कि he felt that I was supporting and glorifying the college, which I actually never did. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे क्लिक करेंगे तो you can see all the 4 videos, and I've never said that college is good or college is bad. It was just me showing my college, showing my hostel, showing my life experience. That's it. मैंने कभी भी कॉलेज के बारे में अच्छा बुरा नहीं बोला. अगर मैंने बोला भी है कॉलेज अच्छा है, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुमको भी अच्छा लगे. You should take it as just as an insight. That's it. For example, let's put it this way. अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरे को Maruti Swift अच्छा लग रहा है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि तुमको भी अच्छा लगे. You might like XUV, you might like Scorpio. This example might sound a bit weird, but context वही है भाई. So hereby I just want to say that I've never glorified or supported the college. I've never forced my opinion on you people. It's just that me showing my college. बस बोल बोल के थक चुका हूँ। और जिन लोगों को ये सब बकवास लग रहा है, इट इज़ंट लाइक दैट. सीन गॉट बिगर बिकॉज the video which I made on IBS gathered almost 20,000 views. That means it isn't personal. It got public. तो things clear करना ज़रूरी है. That's it. अगर आप ये तीनों टॉपिक के ऊपर और सुनना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना. I am here to make more videos, not on IBS, but anything which I talked about. That's it. Bye.